All right, we're at the province one again, and we're gonna see if I can actually hook one because I lost 2 last time. So I'm here with Vincent. He's just back there putting a hook on. Yeah, so I'll see you when I have my worm on. I'm out of pink ones, and there's a lot of little brim right there. Look at that. And so I'm using this, like, I think it's called like green something like that. I don't know, green something. Has like white at the bottom, and then like green with like yellowy like flake. I'm gonna see if I can actually catch a fish with this, and I might just ask Vincent for one of his pink worms. I don't know if I want to put on a buzzbait though. Like, I feel like that's pretty visible in the water. I need to read. I'm using those weird green ones, and they don't really work. Which one is yours?
Okay. This one came with a. I don't think it's way more.
Yeah.
Cheaper.
These are. I like those price-wise better. But I think, honestly, I mean, they work about the same, but those ones flop better. Yeah. I would probably rather, if I were buying some, I'd probably get the Bass Pro ones, but okay, yeah, there we go. They think they're gonna catch stuff, Vinny. I think they're going for brim. Blood needs to warm up.
Slime feels different.
Yeah.
Dad said he caught a 7-pounder on a Texas rig.
Patrick was with him and literally said it wasn't 7 pounds.
Yeah, I know it was 7 pounds. It didn't even look like 7 pounds before. It was like
Fish on. Because mine are incensed better. You can cast it over here. Let's alive him.
I saw like a family hovered over that pond a couple days ago, like a week ago, where we threw the dead fish.
Gosh, damn it! You saw what? A what?
Like a family hovered over, like it was like a mom and a dad with their phones out, looking at the. I think they were looking at the dead fish.
No.
I don't know.
All right. Well.
Bye bye.
I don't know how to catch like this. Here you go. And in the last game, he couldn't make it.
You just gotta let it sink. Make sure to let it sink. I know you are. I'm just saying.
Is that next weekend we can go? Is next weekend Labor Day weekend?
No, this weekend. Is that a fish or are you reeling in? Oh. Just don't reel it in a lot. Just you gotta. Just let it sink for. Okay, reel it all the way back in now. Like it's just two. Just let it sink. Reel it back in.
I went back to our fishing video.
That was such a fun day.
It was a fun day. It was kind of like I couldn't stop laughing though. We were like such cornballs at some point in the video. Okay, when we dapped each other up in the water, like it sparkled.
Yeah.
What do we do after that day?
What do you mean?
Do we have?
Me either.
No one likes them. I had like some people like something too. But like Nicholas Williams, he came up to me, or what's that?
Pull it out more. Pull it out more.
Yeah, I know. There's that little thing.
Dude, like I get it. They're in like 3rd grade probably. I just got bit. I just felt it happen.
Everybody bit well.
It's a mosquito. It's a skeeter. And like, what type of question? What did you just throw in the water? Like, obviously it's a freaking fish. Whoa. I think I'm gonna put on a buzz bait. All right. So, have the buzz bait on. Let's see if this will catch us. See if this will catch me anything.
I think the kid said when I walked in.
Yeah, that was hilarious.
Hey, did you hear my comeback? Like, oh, do you own this pond? Shut up, you're 7 years old. Straight to his face. Dagger in his chest. Yeah, this is now my least favorite pond. I'm going to, tonight, I'm going to come here and I'm going to drink all the water. I'm going to get all the fish on the stab.
Why'd you go over there? This pond is so much better like during the day. Like, I mean, sure I caught one.
Yeah, 4.
What?
Well, you picked, that's like 4 days.
Huh?
4 maybe. 4
Yeah.
o'clock it's better.
No, yeah. Yeah, that's what I meant.
I have an assignment due at 8 o'clock. I'm like